Hi, everybody. Good morning. This is your little weekly rundown for what's going to be happening the week of September 20th through the 24th. As we're getting further into our class, we're starting to have some changes in the way that we're going to set up your Schoology page. You should feel like you can still find everything exactly where you need it, but to try to keep our Schoology class with a little bit more clean and streamlined look, I've introduced something called a past work folder today. So I just want to make sure that we're now almost moving into week 3 or week 4, that everybody's all squared away with how you can find everything and how everything is going to move forward. So let me shift very quickly so that you're able to see our Schoology course. So when you come into our Schoology course and we come down here just a little bit, where this is going to say for you right at the top, lesson plans, this is going to be a running document. Of course, it's a slideshow, but it's going to be a running document for us. So whenever you log in, you're going to be able to see the most recent daily agenda or weekly agenda that we have. And then you can navigate through this so that you can actually always have at your access every single thing that we've done for each week. So for us already, we can just go through this and see what we've had for our different weekly agendas. And then page 1 should always be our most often week. All right, our most current week. Other than that, a little bit of a Schoology tour again. As we come over here and we take a look on the right-hand side, you're gonna notice that we do all of our due dates for Friday only. So you can see that everything's going to be, I need to work on those times a little bit, but everything should have a due date of the following Friday at 2:15 p.m. They're recommending to us from the cyber program that we have your due dates fall within school time. Other than that, when we come on down here and we take a look, you're going to see that we've got Module 2 and then Module 3. And then what's going to happen is when we come inside of here, you're going to be able to see that every single week, you're going to be provided a checklist as well as a weekly message and some little kind of like get to know you question just a little bit more. And then other than that, I still have this information here. If you want to get involved with DECA, you want to contact your homeschool advisor. For those of you that possibly have never been to East High School before, if East High School is your homeschool, I would be your DECA advisor, and I would love to have you get involved with our program. Every school runs their program just a tiny little bit different. When you come in and you take a look at that checklist, you're going to notice that we're essentially mimicking what you're going to have in that weekly agenda. When I come on in here and I take a look at these different things, I'm always going to label for you, just like this has here, Unit 2, Economics folder in Schoology. So when you get ready to come in and work on a couple of your things, let me just flip back to that. That's going to be the label for you on where you're going to be able to find your information. So I'll try to make sure that I've got the most current folder up to date. So here you go, Unit 2, Economic Resources and Systems. And right in there, you'll be able to find all of your different Chapter 2 work that we're going to be doing. Okay, so you'll be able to find that right in there. Lastly, what I wanted to share with you is the introduction of the past work folder. The past work folder is just to try to make sure that our homepage of Schoology just has a cleaner look. So that's going to show up for you right down here at the bottom. Okay, and it's past work. You're going to end up in there, and I'll make sure I keep it organized for you. It's going to be our past module week activities that we've done, and then also you can see you had your welcome folder in there, and now Unit 1 is done as well. You can still access any of those materials if you have been ill or you fell behind, but we're just trying to make sure for our students that are remaining up to date that their Schoology page has a really nice streamlined look to it. So that is our overall method on why we're actually using those different things. For each of your items this week, I'll make sure that I go in and do a little video for you so you have a clue of what's going on with those different items. Everybody's doing a really good job so far. I'm pleased with the responses that you're giving me, and let me know if you have anything that I can do to help you out. Have a great week.